Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. Yesterday, superstar Rajnikant dropped a bomb when he announced that he will be bowing out of electoral politics owing to his health. He said it was a warning from God. And today, there have been some big developments as well. His political advisor has also decided to retire from politics, and he seemed to be quite bitter about his bowing out as well. Meanwhile, there are speculations even now on whether Rajnikant would endorse the BJP or not. Some interesting developments that have happened today. The leader of Gandhi Makkal Iyakam stated that he vows to never re-enter politics again. Tamil Aruvi's announcement comes a day after Thalaiva pulled out from politics, citing health issues. The senior politician wrote a letter claiming that the current political world had become a haven for people pursuing vested interests and that he never lived outside virtue. He also added that he wished for an alternate political system based on the welfare of the people of the state, allowing them to flourish. Tamil superstar Rajnikant took his fans by surprise after he announced his decision of not taking the plunge into politics. Rajnikant was scheduled to announce the launch of his party on December 31st, and his party was expected to contest on all the assembly seats in Tamil Nadu. Meanwhile, the Saffron Party is still hopeful that the superstar will back NDA in Tamil Nadu ahead of assembly polls. BJP in charge for Tamil Nadu, C.T. Ravi, said Rajnikant's decision was his private affair, but that the NDA was still hoping for a declaration of support from the latter despite the cancelled plans of political party. He also praised superstar Rajnikant and said that he has always stood to protect the national interest and the interest of Tamil Nadu.
Rajnikant is a great leader. He has a fan followers in across the Tamil Nadu. We respect him. We know his strength. I hope always he stood to national interest, protect the national interest and Tamil Nadu interest also. Now, after also, he will stand up with national interest and protecting Tamil Nadu interest. We hope.
So, do you think that he will support BJP in the coming elections? Are you asking him to give a support? Or will you seek him?
I hope you will ask him.
No, sir. Do you have any plan to approach him to give support?
Modi ji and Rajini, how they are close, everybody knows that.
Okay.
We are conveying
Rajnikant was discharged from the hospital after being admitted to the Apollo Hospital in Hyderabad due to fluctuations in blood pressure and exhaustion.